Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be discussing the fingerprint sensor on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, ever since the release of the Pixels, there have been lots of videos on YouTube, also on social media, on the internet, and majority of people have complained about the fingerprint sensor. I think that I might actually differ. My opinion about the fingerprint sensor is completely different from what most of them have pointed out there in the last few days and weeks. I think the fingerprint sensor is absolutely brilliant. There's nothing wrong with it. It's effective, it's accurate, and it's fast enough for an average consumer to be more than happy with the performance of the fingerprint sensor. So now I'm going to give you a live demo of how it works, and then afterwards we will configure one of my fingers with the sensor and see how it performs. So first and foremost, let's try my thumb and see how this goes. Boom, straight away. Again, tap the screen once, boom, straight away. Again, let's bring the phone a bit more close to the camera and show you a bit more closely. There we go. You can tell straight away it works. You tap on the screen or press the button, put your thumb, boom, straight away. No issues. It cannot be any quicker than this. I know there are sensors out there which could be potentially a bit more quicker, but the way the sensor has been cursed on the internet, on social media, on YouTube, I'm sorry, no disrespect, but I beg to differ. And you can see right in front of the camera live, it works like a charm. Okay, if you're gonna make a video and touch it like this and expect it to work, of course it's not gonna work. No fingerprint sensor works like that. Okay, some might, but the majority of them, you gotta let your thumb be there for at least 0.5 of a second to give it a chance to open the phone up. So like I said, no disrespect, I beg to differ, and from my understanding of what I can see so far, the fingerprint sensor seems to be working absolutely fine with no issues whatsoever. And this is not coming from someone who's got his first or second phone. I have had dozens of phones over the years, lots of them with all sorts of fingerprint sensors. So this is also experience. I know phones, I live with phones, so from my understanding, the Pixel fingerprint sensor has got no issue whatsoever. As you can see, I'm trying it repeatedly. Now let's get into settings and also configure another of my fingers and see how it goes. So settings, security, then we go into fingerprint unlock. There we go. I'm going to enter my code. There we go. So as you can see, one of my thumbs is already configured. So now let's do the index finger and see how this goes. So, and even this configuration is very quick, easy and simple. No complications whatsoever. Literally takes a few seconds, it's all done. Have a look. There you go. Obviously, it's trying to register all sides of my finger. Takes a while, but let's be honest, guys. Come on, we can all be this much patient. Well, how long has it taken? What, 30 seconds? 40 seconds? 50 seconds? Done. All right. So there we go. Now let's go back and let's test the index finger. There you go. No issues. You can even put a timer on and see how long it takes. What, 0.5 seconds? Maybe a second? Come on guys, we can't be this much patient. But cursing Google, cursing the phone, and it's saying it's the only thing which is not functional, and I'm disappointed. I'm sorry to say, guys, like I said, no disrespect intended to anyone as such, but from my experience so far, right in front of you, I can tell you the fingerprint sensor is fast enough, quick enough, and it's got no issues whatsoever. So guys, this is my take on the Google Pixel 6 Pro fingerprint sensor, and the unit that I have has got no issues whatsoever. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section your experience and what you think, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, and I shall see you in the next video.